Yesterday, all key US stock indexes closed in the red. This could mean that the stock market has eventually entered a correction stage following a protracted rally. Besides, experts say that at the stage of record highs, market leaders are logging muted growth, but worst performers are coming at the forefront. This situation emerges because most investors shift out a looming deep retracement, shifting focus towards time-tested stocks. Is it the case today? Let's find out. The Dow Jones slipped 0.4% yesterday. Unlike a steep decline of the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, the Dow Jones dipped at the least degree by 0.4%. Importantly, such dynamics could mean that the US stock market is facing a large downward correction in the nearest days. Today, the Dow Jones is trading at about 34,080 points. It's expected to hold in the corridor of 33,700 to 34,150. Meanwhile, the US dollar index is extending a losing streak on Tuesday. It fell at near 90.90, the lowest level since March 3rd. A week ago, this decline looked like a retracement. Now, analysts do not rule out a trend reversal. Today, the index is likely to trade in the corridor of 90.60 and 91.30. The USD CAD faced trading today at about 1.2490. The loonie copped with a minor advance despite the broad-based weakness of the US dollar. All in all, the Canadian dollar has appreciated roughly but 100 pips since late March. Now the loonie is anticipating at least a correctional climb of the greenback. In case the US currency takes a nosedive, support could be breached, then the Canadian dollar will be able to strengthen to 1.2360 against its American rival. Bitcoin sank another 4% over the latest 24 hours. Today, the most popular digital token is trading at about $55,200. Most crypto traders have open sell positions on Bitcoin at the level of $55,000 or $56,000. If the level of $54,000 is broken, the number one cryptocurrency is expected to continue its fall, leading for $53,000 or $52,000. To resume growth, Bitcoin has to keep almost about the level of $54,000. In this case, Bitcoin will be able to overcome the level of $56,000 and approach the mark of $57,500. This scenario could terminate the ongoing bearish trend. Investors are anticipating a monetary policy update from the ECB on Thursday. On the same day, the US Labor Department is due to release weekly data on unemployment claims. Besides, top US companies post upbeat corporate reports that encourage a further growth of US stocks. The question is open for how long? And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.